there snoring, I got up to turn on the light because I couldn't sleep. And then I decided to record it.